Hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to get the size or dimensions of a actor. This is something that seems to pop up a fair bit in some of the forums, and there is a nice, beautifully easy way to do it by looking at the collision bounds. There's no particular function similar to get rotation or get world location for it, so you've got to use the physics object, which is very easy. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our line trace from the last project. I've already killed the set actor location, so we've got the pure line trace. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the out hit actor channel, and we're going to do get bounds, and we want the one that's under collision, and that's pretty much it. So what you get on this, underneath this one, the box extent, you've got box extent X, box extent Y, and box extent Z. Now, and you've also got origin too, which is the center of the actor, wherever that happens to be located. It's same as the world getting the location. It's the same thing. It's just conveniently there. Okay, so we're going to recollapse those. What we're going to do is we're going to spit this out into a print. So append, because I like to title it, and we're just going to plug the box extent into there. Nice and simple. And then we're going to do object size. So now all we've got to do is hit compile, save, play. And already we're doing some action. So these are 68 by 68 by 50. That wall is 1500 by 50 by 200. This box 86 by 86 by 75. Now the ramp is 550 by 50 by 100. And this is our little cube we prepared earlier the other day. And there's 50 by 50 by 50, because it's smaller than the one over there. So that's it. That's the easy way of getting into your blueprints the size of an object, because for some applications you do actually need to know the size of it, not just the scale, because handy as all that is. Yeah.